level, program execution and user interface level, the level with which we are most familiar. Level 5, high-level language level. The level with which we interact when we write programs in languages. Level 4, assembly language level. Acts upon assembly language produced from level 5, as well as instructions programmed directly at this level. Level 3, system software level. Controls executing processes on the system. Protects system resources. Assembly language instructions often pass through level 3 without modification. Level 2, machine level. Also known as the Instruction Set Architecture, ISA, level, consists of instructions that are particular to the architecture of the machine. Programs written in machine language need no compilers, interpreters, or assemblers. Level 1, control level. A control unit decodes and executes instructions and moves data through the system. A microprogram is a program written in a low-level language that is implemented by the hardware. Level 0, digital logic level. This level is where we find digital circuits, the chip. Digital circuits consist of gates and wires. These components implement the mathematical logic of all other levels.
In user level, it talks all about the user of the computer. The first example of the user is the human itself, the one who uses or operates the computer. And those people in this pictures are the workers or employees that needs computer in order to meet the target of their jobs. We also have students. There are students who are focusing in information technology, so the computer is a must for their daily studies. But there are also students who are not taking information technology but still needs computer for their activities, projects, and assignments. Aside from that, we know that other people in the community use computer for their entertainment, such as playing games and accessing their social media accounts. High-level language. There are a lot of programming languages, and its examples are C program, C++, Java, and SQL. These programming languages use different kinds of manner in terms of coding. Assembler is system software which converts an assembly language program to its equivalent object code. The input to the assembler is a source code written in assembly language using mnemonics, and the output is an object code translating mnemonic language to its equivalent object code. Assigning machine addresses to symbolic labels. System software refers to the files and programs that make up your computer's operating system. System files include libraries of functions, system services, drivers for printers and other hardware, system preferences, and other configuration files. The programs that are part of the system software include assemblers, compilers, file management tools, system utilities, and debuggers. The system software is installed on your computer when you install your operating system. You can update the software by running programs such as Windows Update for Windows or Software Update for Mac OS X. Unlike application programs, however, system software is not meant to be run by the end user. For example, while you might use your web browser every day, you probably don't have much use for an assembler program, unless, of course, you are a computer programmer. Since machine language focuses on binary digits, these pictures shows are examples of it. The numbers involved are only 1 and 0. This language only the computer can read and understand. The language that we are using can't understand by the computer. For the computer unable to understand us, they convert out language to their own language so that they can process the instruction that we give to them. Point 3. The logic gates. The AND gate only produces a result of true when the two elements are both true, and when the two elements are not the same it will produce a result of false. The OR gate will produces a false result when the two elements are both false, and when the two elements are not the same it will produce a result of true. NAND gate will produce false result when the two elements are both true, and when the two elements are not the same it will produce a result of true. NOT gate will produces the inverted result when you input true, then the result will be false because it is inverted by the NOT gate. XOR gate will produce a true result when the two elements are both true and false, then when the two elements are not the same it will produce a result of false. NOR gate will produce true result when the two elements are both false, and when the two elements are not the same it will produce a result of false.